Hello there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be making my first tutorial video. I'm going to be showing you how to make 10 Lego guns for your Star Wars minifigures. Let's get right on into it. First up we have a flamethrower. It's a very nice build to give your first order flame troopers an advantage in battle. It comes with a backpack and a cord running to it. To make the gun, you just need an average, just a very common gun there with this piece here is 1 by brick there, and then this little faucet piece, I don't know what you would call that. Just stick it there. Then on the back, you have to get this 1 by 1 stud with a hole in it. Stick it on the back there. And then place this cord piece onto the back. Right there. Then for the backpack, all you need is this little bracket piece. Or I think that's what it's called. A 1 by 2 in gray, or it's a plate. And then you add this little control panel, or any 1 by 1 control panel you want, and you attach it there. And then you add it to your first order trooper. So that's number 1. Let's get on into number 2. At number 2, we have a gun for Boba Fett. It's pretty easy to make. You just need that gun, this black lightsaber hilt there, and a black hand. Stick that on the front, and then you add it to your Boba Fett. And then we're going to get into number 3. Next up, we have a sniper gun for your recon troopers. If they're ever scouting and need to eliminate some targets or battle droids, this is the perfect gun. You start off with that pistol piece there in the middle. You add this lightsaber hilt to the back there. And then you put this 1 by 1 round stud with a hole in it. And then this clip piece there with another lightsaber hilt. And then this piece, telescope. Stick it on there, and then you can kind of tilt it to the side. Give you a better view there. And then you can add it to your trooper. This is a great gun to defend yourself from some battle droids. All you need is that sniper piece and this Technic pin in black, and you put it on there and then add it to your clone. If you were a Wookiee on Kashyyyk and you needed a weapon to defend yourself, this would be perfect. It's the Wookiee bowcaster. Oops. All you need is this gun here and this tread piece. All you need is one. You stick it through the middle one, and then give it to your Wookiee. I'm using the Snow Chewbacca from my new AT-ST set to give him an advantage against the attacking battle droids. This is a good gun to take down some heavy artillery. It is a rocket launcher, very easily made. I'll take off all the parts here. You start out with this little bar piece with the spot to put it on something there. Then you add one of these round pieces, and then you put this little clip there, like a little wrench thing. You add 2 more of these large round bricks, and then you put a round one in any color you want to like match a Clone Legion. I just kept this blue one on here because I like to give to 501st, and you give it to your clone, send them in battle. Next up, we have a gun that the clone commandos use, and that is the repeating blaster. It's easy to make. All you need is this pistol there. You add this handpiece to the front, and then you put this stud with a bar in the middle, and there it is. And you can hand it to Wrecker so he can go smash some battle droids. Up next, we have this blaster pistol. You can give any clone commander like Rex, Cody, ARC troopers, whatever. You just need that pistol there, stud with a hole in the middle, and I dropped it. You stick it on the front there, and then you get this stud with a bar in the middle, place it on there, and then give it to one of your troopers. I put this on Echo, and I've never shown you guys my Echo except for in the review of the Bad Batch shuttle, but what I did was take the hand out, cut the front off of a screwdriver, and super glued it in the arm. I don't suggest you do that unless you're willing to lose one of your minifigures, like the value. Up next, we have a really good sniper gun. You can like prop it up on something and take aim at some droids or whatever, some stormtroopers. So you start out with that thing there. You put this telescope on the front. You put these clips on here next to each other, and you spread them out. And I'm going to be giving this to Echo, not Echo, Crosshair, so we can shoot at the Bad Batch. And now, probably my favorite gun here would be the minigun, or the Z6 rotary cannon. How you build it? It has quite a few pieces. Start out with that Technic piece there with the star thing in there. And then you get this stud with a bar in the middle. Put it in there. Then you grab this thing. Has the stud and it has the bar on the side of it. And then put it there. And then you grab one of these. It has the stud with the hole in the middle. Put it there. You get this okay, figuring out how it went together. And then you have this little snow cone piece. It has the cone thing and then the handle at the bottom. It's a weird piece. And then you put that in there, and then you get your stud with a bar in the middle. You put on the back as a handle. And then you hand it to a heavy trooper and let them do what they do. I hope you liked this video. I haven't done one like this ever, really. I haven't done any tutorials on my channel, so if you liked it, hit the like button. Subscribe with notifications on if you like my channel. And yeah. Goodbye.